This video will teach you 2 ways to create highlighted text in CapCut PC. Add picture or video to the timeline. Now copy it, hold Alt and drag it up a line. Click on this eye and turn off the bottom line. Right-click top line and go to Mask and choose Rectangle. Now highlight the text you want to highlight. Add some feather and round corners for a better visual effect. Now turn on the bottom line. Go to Basic, then Blend, and check Opacity keyframe. Move a bit on the timeline and set the opacity to around 30%. Now go a bit before the end and add another opacity keyframe. Then go to the end and return the opacity to 100%. Now we will show the second method. Add picture or video to the timeline. Click on the text section. Click on a small plus to add text. Write 2 times underscore in the black box. Now change the color to whatever you want. I'll choose yellow. Scroll down a bit until you see Uniform Scale and turn it off. Now move the yellow line to the text you want to highlight and set the height to cover the entire text and then the width. Now go to Animation and find Wipe Right. Set the duration to around 1 second, so it's not too fast. If you want to highlight other lines, hold Alt and drag the highlight to a new line. Leave a little space at the beginning and drag a new yellow line to a new line of text. You can repeat this until you have highlighted everything you need. Now align everything at the end. Now surround the text and right-click on it and select the option Create Compound Clip. Go to Blend and change mode at Multiply, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.